And we are doing the furnace conversion to LP right now. So the homeowner, the house is equipped with a LP tank. The furnace comes set up for natural gas. So in order to do the LP conversion, we need to remove the burner cover. Once the burner comes off, and we are removing the burners. Those are 1/4-inch screws. Once the burner is removed, we can take it out. We have 3 burners. The orifices, they come with a furnace. They are right there. Every furnace comes ready for LP gas. And the gas valve, it's much easier to change the orifices if you remove everything, and then we'll put everything back in place and I will show you how it goes back together. We are going to take them out. Now our natural gas orifices are removed. We are going to put in the propane orifices. Start everything by hand. The next step is the regulator for the LP gas. The gas line comes equipped with a removable regulator. You remove the blue cap because it's kind of a tight space. The best tool would be a 9/16 wrench. We're gonna loosen it. And all we have to do, take it out and we flip it. Right on a regulator, I don't know if the camera can focus in, it shows LP and has an arrow. The arrow will be pointing down now that it's LP gas towards the gas valve. Once it's all done, once again, do not over tighten. Just a smidge to make sure we have a good connection. That's it. We're going to put the blue cap back on. As you can see, right now we have LP and the arrow is going towards the gas valve. The orifices have been changed to LP gas, and our natural gas orifices are right here. They are much bigger size drill. So you can tell the difference. Natural gas orifices will always have a bigger hole than LP. We are going to reinstall the gas valve and the burner tube with the orifices. Make sure everything is properly lined up. We are going to slide our gasket back in. Everything is nice and lined up. Our gasket is in place. We have a good seal. We need to hook up our gas valve wires back to it. Now we have a good connection point. Doesn't matter which wire goes where. They're both the same color, so they are not polarity sensitive. Burner back in, same thing here. Let's make sure we slide that over the rubber gasket. All the holes will be lined up. Now the last step to the fuel conversion process is making sure we apply our LP gas sticker someplace on the gas valve or someplace on the burner. I usually put it right here so it's visible. Liquid petroleum. So if anybody works on this furnace, they have to do any service, they know it's converted to LP gas.